Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this Inkless printer. Has high-speed printing, wireless connection, multiple platforms. You can connect it to your PC if you want by a cord. Okay, and if you do the PC, it has this little thumb drive there where you can just plug it in, get the things you need for it to work. Okay, so we have instructions. Also have some thermal paper here. So with these, you get thermal paper, and they just kind of don't need any ink, so you don't have to deal with the messiness of ink. There it is right there. This is super thin. It features a battery in here. I believe it's 2800 milliamp hours, so it should last pretty long. I'm going to hook this up to my Bluetooth. Here we have a charging port too, and then a nice little bag. So if you have like a little mobile office or something like that, need to print something out real quick, this is super handy. These things actually have a really excellent photo quality too, as far as like printing. So I'm going to set one real quick up, just hook up my phone, and let's check out it's got a little digital display there. It tells you the stuff on there. It says like standby, shows our battery life, and a little Bluetooth thing there. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my phone here. Just going to download the SoPrint app, install that real quick. Okay, now we just click on the F81 printer, and let's see, single paper. Gonna go to plus to add it. Only while using this app, allow, sure. Connect print. Okay, once the SoPrint app was installed, I just powered it off, powered it back on, turned off my Bluetooth, turned it back on. Everything works fine now. So here we have the little app here and the setup. I can basically just do whatever on this app here. And let's see, let's print like a picture or something real quick. Okay, I've selected a picture of my cat. And then there we go. And just print. Narrow, margins narrow. Letter density, copies 1, okay. Okay, so got the picture of my cat here. When you load this paper, one side's a little bit smoother. It's like pretty smooth feeling. So we're just gonna load that in the smooth side down. That should pull it in. It says it's ready. And there's a picture of my cat. Let's just print the cat there. Pretty fast and super quiet too. Let's just see how this turns out here. Going through quickly. Oh. And there's my cat, just like that. So pretty good quality there. So you could make it darker or lighter. The printing preview has a few different little things there that you can mess with. So that's really cool. Yeah, so the app is pretty nice. You can do quite a few different things with it. Customize whatever if you want to print out all kinds of, like a banner, just tons of different things. You see, you can print out a picture of my cat, whether you want to print out your grocery list, or yeah, whatever you can think of and whatever you can put on your screen, pretty much just going to print it out. So that's super cool. It's very lightweight, easy to work with. It's quiet, prints fast. We've got a little Type-C thing in the back here. It has some different paper sizes here also. This portion can lift up if you need to. And close back down there. Super easy to work with. I like the little display. It actually has the time on there. You can hold down the power to turn on the Bluetooth or double tap it to recognize other things around it. So super easy to set up. It was quick. It was responsive. The app worked great. a lot of stuff you can do on the app. So really impressed with it, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.